In this video, I'll show you how to join Roblox Discord server. To get started, go ahead and open Roblox on your device and make sure you're signed in into your account. Now go ahead and select a game from Roblox to where you want to join a Discord server to. So there are a lot of games that you can choose from on Roblox. So simply click on that game to where you want to join a Discord server to, and then scroll down into this game and you'll find this section where you can actually find the Discord icon. So simply click on that Discord icon and you'll get redirected into the Discord server of this game. Click on that continue button and then select Discord into the apps that will be displayed on the pop-up. Now on your Discord account, go ahead and accept the invite from this Discord server and you'll be into their Discord server. That's basically how you can join Roblox Discord server. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.